Good morning, children. We are going to do new words of Unit 8, A Little Turtle. But before that, do you remember this poem? How the turtle expresses himself by saying how he walks so slow, he can crawl so slow, and he carries his house on his back. And when he is tired, he put his head, legs, tail all inside the shell, right? And do you remember the story about the turtle and a rabbit? It is do you remember the story? A slow and steady wins the race. आपको कहानी याद है ना, कछुए और खरगोश की? पता है ना आपको कि खरगोश मजाक उड़ाता था कछुए की कि आप कितना स्लो चलते हो, बिकॉज ऑलवेज द टर्टल वॉक्स वेरी स्लो and the hare, that is the rabbit, runs very fast. So whenever the rabbit used to see turtle walking so slow, the rabbit used to make a fun of turtle and says that let's take a challenge, who can run fast and who reaches the winning point. So the turtle and the rabbit took the challenge, the turtle took the challenge, and they started race between both of them. They had a race between both of them. So the turtle used to walk slow, and the hare, the rabbit, used to run very fast. And he ran so very fast that he could not see turtle coming behind. It was very far away. So the rabbit thought to take a little bit rest. And when he took little bit rest in that, the rabbit went to sleep. Till that time the turtle was walking and and he reached the finishing point. And like that the turtle won the race and rabbit had lost the race. So this was the story about the turtle and the rabbit, the tortoise and the rabbit. Now we'll start with the new words. TURTTLE, turtle. TURTLE, turtle. Number 2, CRAWL, crawl. CRAWL, crawl. 3 number, SLOW, slow. SLOW, slow. 4 number, TIRED, tired. TIRED, tired. Number 5, HEAD, head. HEAD, head. Number 6, tail. TAIL, tail. TAIL, tail. Number 7, CARRY, carry. Number 7, CARRY, carry. Number 8, BED, bed. BED, bed. Number 9, LITTLE, little. LITTLE, little. Number 10, SHELL, shell. SHELL, shell. So once again we will read, children, the new words. Number 1, turtle. Number 2, crawl. Number 3, slow. Number 4, tired. Number 5, head. Number 6, tail. Number 7, carry. Number 8, bed. Number 9, little. Number 10, shell. Now we'll go to the question answers. Answer the following question. How does a turtle walk? How does a turtle walk? Turtle कैसा चलता है? Answer 1, he walks very slowly. टर्टल जो है वो काफ़ी आहिस्ते आहिस्ते चलता है. He walks very slowly. Question 2, what does the turtle carry on his back? टर्टल के बैक पे वो क्या कैरी करता है? What does a turtle carry? So answer 2, the turtle carry its house on its back. The turtle carry its house on its back. वो क्या कैरी करता है? घर. On its back. Question 2. Where does the turtle go when it is tired? Where does turtle go when it is tired? Answer 3. The turtles go inside his shell when he is tired. The turtle goes inside his shell when he is tired. टर्टल जब थक जाता है वो कहाँ पे छिप जाता है, आराम करता है? तो टर्टल जब थक जाता है तो उसका जो शेल होता है ना, वहीं पे वो आराम कर लेता है. Question 4. What is turtle house called? What is turtle's house called? It is called a shell. टर्टल का जो घर है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? शेल. क्या कहते हैं? शेल. It is a shell. Question 5. What other seasons can you give for a turtle going into his house? What other reasons can you give for a turtle going into his house? So the turtle goes into his house to save himself from danger and its enemies. Why does the turtle go inside his house? The reason is that the turtle goes into his house to save himself, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए danger से और enemies से. So once again we'll read the question answers, children. Answer the following question. How does a turtle walk? He walks very slowly. Question 2. What does the turtle carry on his back? Answer 2. The turtle carries its house on its back. Question 3. Where does the turtle go when it is tired? The turtle goes inside his house when he is tired. What is turtle house called? Answer 4. It is called a shell. Question 5. What other reason can you give for a turtle going into his house? The turtle goes into his house to save himself from danger and its enemies. So dear children, I hope you have understood the answer the following question, new words. Complete this exercise in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.